Hi everyone, Ganesh from New Tech Hub. Today we're gonna look at tricks and new features that is a new Samsung. So we're gonna take the pen out. So that is, first of all, you have a creating notes and you have a view in all notes, smart select, and you have a screen wide live message and AR doodle. First we're gonna go to the settings on there. So we're gonna go to the pen settings and we're gonna do two things. One, we're gonna activate smart air actions. You had giving your menus, and it also give you all the options which apps you can use cameras. So therefore it's going to pick up the cameras, and from there I will be able to see which one I'm able to use. So in the cameras it's giving us settings, explaining and what to do. So is to say is single press to take a picture, double press shoots the camera, up, so that's going to be choose the camera, down choose the camera back, so front camera and the back camera, and left, if you go to the left is go to the next model, and if you're the right is go to the right. If you go clockwise circle, it's going to be zoom in, and a wide angle. Let's see how this works. So first we're going to have this Sony's headphones. So Sony's Mark III headphones, we have them here. So we're going to use to take a picture with this. Okay, so the pens, I have this on with me. It is not like you say, okay, just move your hand, it's going to do that for you. You have to do is few things. You actually have to hold on the press button, then move your hand. So now I didn't press it, that's why I didn't go through. So now I have a move. So that will take pictures. If I go through, so that is checking back to my front camera, back camera. So it's going to focus, going to the next one, going to photo, video. So let's see the video. I want to be zoom in. Then using the notepad. So now we're going to use the notepad. Take notes and translate them into a formal style where everybody can read your notes. The one thing I have not tried to do is try to translate a note. Yeah, there is no, at the moment there is a translation available on the notepad. Capture the screen and we can take notes on the screen. Love the song. So then I can send that to my friend. I can share with them. So we can do is translation. So hold on the pens for the word to translate. You can also tap and to hear the pronunciations. It depends, they're able to use translation. So now we're going to go back to the pen and we're going to go to the translation part. We have to change the language to Japanese to English. Now we go to Google, so that is how are you. So now I have put this one on vibration. So if I leave the pen in a place, just taking the phone, it automatically vibrates, notifying me that I just left the pen in somewhere else. So now I'm gonna adding 10 things in the menu. So if I want to add something else, so I have to remove one of these. So I will remove that and I will add the Google Assistant one. Quite a lot of improvement comparing with the older Samsung. So let's go back and to the pen and settings and see if we can activate a voice. What is the weather like? So it's giving the weather, pens. So these are very useful to have. So thank you guys for watching. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I will be posting more videos like this, and like the videos, and see you guys on the next video.